What's going on, guys? We've got our Porsche 992 Turbo S back in the shop. You guys have already seen us do a couple of performance modifications. Well, now we're looking to get a little bit of additional handling out of the car. We called upon the guys over at Bilstein and got a set of their new EVO SE Coilovers. This is a nice plug-and-play option for this Porsche. So I'm gonna get out of the way, let the guys get them installed, and I'll see you when she's done. And here we are with the final product. We got those Bilstein EVO SE Coilovers on our 992, and boy, what a difference. With those coilovers, we were able to lower this vehicle 35 millimeters and make those HREs look right at home. Now, those coilovers from Bilstein are all super cool because we're able to keep our Porsche active suspension management system. So we can still run it in sport mode, we can still run it in comfort mode. All the while, the Bilsteins are doing their own adjustments every couple milliseconds. They're seeing what's going on, traction, turning, pitch yaw, all of that, to make sure that we're getting all the traction to each wheel, regardless of whether we're on the track or just cruising on the street. If you guys are looking to get your sports car leveled up like something like this, make sure to reach out to us at help@schqoffroad.com. Like always, appreciate you watching, and we'll see you in the next one.